everyone, it's Dilara from EvaStack, and today I'm going to show you how to use Ruuwe to analyze your script, image and video according to the social media platform that you would like to use for your ads on any social media, and also where you can use these tools to minimize your budget and actually make use of it without spending a lot. So you spent weeks planning your perfect Black Friday campaign, perfect timing, creative and beautiful. But what if I told you that that $50,000 that you spent on that campaign and it's gone down the drain? But what if I told you that actually you can predict that beforehand without spending a single dollar? Traditional methods, focus groups take 4 weeks and around $15,000. A/B testing, you spend thousands even before you learn. E-commerce needs speed, and while your competitors are doing 10 campaigns and launching them all at once, you're only testing one. That's why we built our stack, and one of the products in our stack is Ruuwe. And I hear you asking, well, what is Ruuwe? Let me tell you. Ruuwe is an AI predictive analysis tool that can actually predict and analyze your campaign's results, and you can use it for your images, your video and script analysis. And it will tell you exactly how your script will perform, how your image will perform, and how your video will perform before you launch your ad.